Hey guys, what is going on? It is RC Knockout and I am back with another video. Now, if you are new to the channel, my name is Nolan. In today's video, I have got my brushless converted Losi 5T out with me. I decided to come out because it's a very nice day and the roads are clear, so I decided to come out and try to do some speed runs. So we're gonna see what type of top speed we can get with this brushless converted Losi 5T. I know the electronics said that they're good for about 50 plus, but it didn't specify what gearing. So the gearing on this one is a 22 tooth pinion and whatever the stock Spur Gear is. The motor's an 800 kV 2028 Castle motor, and I got that mated to a Hobbywing Max 5 ESC, and I'm running two of these PowerHobby 9,000 milliamp 130C discharge rate 4-cell Hardcase packs, and it's running the huge QS8 connectors. So I'm thinking we should be able to get somewhere around 50. We're just gonna have to see though. I got my little GPS with me, so I'm gonna get that turned on, get that set to record the maximum speed, strap it down somewhere, probably under the body. Actually, I could probably strap it outside of the body. I could probably strap it like right here on the cage, and then we'll do a few passes and see what we can get. Super excited to try this out, guys. So let me go ahead, get her hooked up, and we're gonna jump right in this video. All right, I have got my Losi 5T powered up. I have the GPS right here. It is turned on and it is set to record the maximum speed in miles per hour. So I think I'm going to just go ahead and try to mount it up maybe right in here, and hopefully that'll hold. Unfortunately, the strap I brought's not going to hold it, so I resorted to electrical tape. So I'm going to electrical tape it because I do not want this coming off. I'm thinking maybe right back in here or maybe right there. I'll find a spot. All right, I wrapped the electrical tape around a couple times, so hopefully that'll hold in place. Can't really see the numbers, but I'll be able to undo that pretty easily. Feels like it should stay. Just gotta wait for the road to clear so we can make our pass. Before you watch any more of this video, go ahead, write down below, what do you think the top speed's gonna be? It's capable of 50 plus, not sure what gearing, but I'm thinking it'll go over 40. I'm pretty confident it'll go over 40 for sure. Alrighty guys, now it's clear to make our pass. Let's go. I think we should do a launch too. What do you guys think? From right there, let's try out a launch. Alright, are you guys ready? Get set. Go! Make sure it's clear. Let's bring it back for a pass in this direction, guys. Here we go, on the throttle. I'm pinned right now. One more pass in this direction. Here we go, guys. I'm all over the place. Yeah, I don't like the feel of the braking on this thing. Since I'm using the speed control, the ESC for the braking, I don't like the feel of it. I preferred the braking when I was using the braking servo. It felt more natural, more progressive. Let's do one more launch for while the road's clear. The road's clear, let's do another launch. Those tires ballooned up quite a bit on that launch. All right, guys, let's check. What do you think we got? I think that was over 40. Wow, you guys see that? We just reached 54.4 miles per hour. So it said on the electronics from the site I bought it from, it said those electronics were good for over 50 miles per hour. With the 22 tooth pinion and the stock Spur Gear, we just reached 54.4. That is extremely fast, guys, for a machine of this size. That's just as fast, actually. I think my 30.5cc OBR full mod Zenoa HPI Baja 5T, I think that's the exact same speed it went. It went like 54.5. And that's gas powered, but that's super fast for a gas powered one. This, pretty darn fast. So if you're wondering what type of top speed you could expect if you put a system like this in a Losi 5T and gear it like this, 54.5 miles per hour basically. Not too shabby. But anyway, guys, if you did enjoy this little test, this little top speed test, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already and hit that notification bell. And until next time, see you later. We'll have this thing out again and we'll do some more bashing because I love running this thing. Ton of fun. But anyway, later. See how it lifts that inside wheel up? And we got another car.